Hi, I'm Judy and welcome to my home. The cottage is in North Wales on the Llyn Peninsula, and it's the most beautiful area with fabulous beaches and the most amazing walks. We've got a big family, so I love it when the kids come with the grandchildren. And it's lovely for me and my husband to just come here and have some time on our own. This house was originally a barn on a farm. Over the years it became a home. When we bought the cottage it was beautiful but really tired. It needed quite a lot of love, which I hope that's what we've done to it. When we first viewed the house, oh my goodness, I walked around the house and I just fell in love with every aspect of it. I knew it was tired, but it just had such a lovely feel. I went up to the bedroom, looked out of the window, and oh my, those views, I just knew we'd just love it here. So we've stuck really to just a couple of paint colours. We've tried to keep all the aesthetics really neutral so that it gives us a really nice, calm, relaxing feel when we come to the house. The kitchen is really small and it's very dark. It's got low ceilings, and the overriding thought was to let's get as much light in here as possible. We chose the Versailles Softly Aged Limestone tiles for our kitchen floor. The fact that no two tiles are the same, there's lovely soft variation in colour, and the tumbled edges just give it a really rustic, old feel. It helps bring a cohesive feel to our home, especially in the kitchen, where I've tried to bring all the colours together to give this light feel to the house. We've also used the Versailles limestone in the porch, but we chose the herringbone tiles for that. Again, we wanted the consistency throughout the house to have this cohesive feel, but rather than use the large format tiles we've used in the kitchen, we went for the herringbone just to have a little bit of something different. We've also been able to use some of the offcuts from the kitchen floor in several other places within the cottage. In the bathroom, we've used one of the offcuts to place the sink on, so it made a really nice sink unit. And then in the master bedroom, we've got patio doors onto the balcony, and so on the step there, we've used some offcuts there. So we selected the Nori Pearl Gloss Metro tiles for our bathrooms and shower rooms. The tiles have a lovely variation in colour, the light and bright, so it's helped us continue with that cohesive feel around the house. For me, it felt really important the bathroom had that spa-like feel. So at the end of a day, you can just jump in that bath, light the candles, dim the lights, and yeah, just needed to keep it really simple and neutral. One of the hardest things about doing a renovation we found was all the decisions that needed to be made. My brain was just befuddled with all the things we needed to choose. And what I found with quartz stone was when we'd chosen the Versailles limestone, we needed then to choose the grouting and the sealants. And on their website, it does help you by telling you exactly which colours work well with the tiles. So I did find that so helpful.